Yeah, new restrictions on Kentucky restaurants are now in effect, and many bars have been forced to close again because of COVID-19. Christian Hauser tells us why a big name in the local dining business questions the move.
Britney Ruby Miller, daughter of Jeff Ruby and CEO of the restaurant group, says that she's worried and confused about the guidance coming out of the White House regarding COVID-19.
Not confusion that this virus isn't real and that this virus is very scary and is spreading. But the confusion is how it pertains to restaurants.
Two of the Ruby family restaurants are being affected by Kentucky Governor Andy Beshear's latest order to limit indoor seating. Miller says restaurants are already struggling to stay in business.
We're already at 50% right now. We hope to break even. We can sustain the business through 2020 for 50% capacity. Anything less than that is really going to cripple many restaurant operators.
Coronavirus response coordinator Dr. Deborah Birx is meeting with governors of states seeing increased COVID cases. She's met with Governor Beshear.
There are states that do need to close their bars, to decrease indoor gatherings, to really make it possible to control the pandemic before it gets worse in states like Kentucky, Indiana, Ohio, Tennessee, and Virginia.
Ruby Miller says that there's just no data to support restrictions at restaurants. Local health departments I talked with agree. Hamilton County and Cincinnati Health say that they have not traced any COVID spread back to restaurants, and that contact tracing shows spread is mainly from parties and other social gatherings.
We need to see the data, and we know the data's not there. Restaurants, you are safer walking into a restaurant than you are walking into a grocery store, and we already feel safe walking into grocery stores, at least I do.
Ruby Miller says she's been talking with many other restaurant owners, and many of them are barely hanging on.
They are a week, 2 weeks from shutting their doors, and anything else to hinder any sort of volume or revenue could be the nail in the coffin for them.
In Cincinnati, Christian Hauser, Local 12 News.
Kentucky bars that do not serve food must close for at least 2 weeks, and restaurants are only allowed 25% capacity inside.